Samsung's ecosystem even lets users get WhatsApp messages and reply to them from your wrist. Every year, the company makes it better, and not just you can send and receive anything over the app. With WhatsApp support, you can view text messages, images, and other files. It also lets you reply to the text or delete them. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic with Wear OS 3 version made it even superior. It shows every detail on the rounded screen with cool animations or emojis. The images also show in a good format, so you could understand your friends' memes and laugh at them. To make it simple for you, go through these steps to use WhatsApp on Galaxy Watch 4. The first step is open Galaxy Wearable app. The new Galaxy Watch runs on Wear OS 3 version, but don't confuse with the pairing method. You don't have to pair it with the Wear OS app. Instead, you should pair it with the Galaxy Wearable app. Download the app from the Play Store. Second, go to Watch Settings. The Watch Settings is located on the first screen on the Galaxy Wearable app. These sections store all the necessary settings of your new smartwatch. So, tap on Watch Settings to move further. 3. Use notifications. You don't have to search for the notifications option. It is the first option in the smartwatch settings. It includes options like allow, block or mute. Now open the notifications option. 4. Open show phone notifications on the watch. This is an important feature in the Galaxy Wearable app. Most of the customers complain why sometimes they are not getting incoming messages on their watch. It is because this option has two settings that affect incoming messages on the watch. 5th, set show alerts even when the phone in use. In the next, you have to activate the show alerts even when the phone in use option. By default, show alerts when the phone is not in use is activated. So set the second one. If you want to receive messages only when your phone is not in use, then only activate the first option. 6th, search for WhatsApp and activate it. Now come back to notifications option. Here all the downloaded apps will be present. In the list, search for the WhatsApp app. By default, it could be deactivated, so manually activate it. After successfully activated WhatsApp on your phone, follow some of these rules to get most from your WhatsApp on Galaxy Watch 4. First, enable the auto download option in WhatsApp to receive media. To save the internet data, you may have disabled auto download option in WhatsApp. It may be important for you, but to receive all the media files including images and videos, you have to disable this option. To do that, go to Settings, Storage and Data, Media Auto Download option in the WhatsApp app. Here, manually change the settings. Second, read notifications aloud. It is an option available in Settings Notifications of your Galaxy Watch 4 or Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. It will read all the incoming messages using earbuds or other supported Bluetooth headsets. Third, turn on screen. Whenever you receive a new message, the watch will turn on the screen to alert you. Fourth, mute notifications on the phone. When you activate the option in Settings Notifications on the watch, the notifications on the phone will be muted automatically. It is a good option when you don't want to get disturbed on your phone, but on the other hand, want to look at the messages. Fifth, use smart replies to make conversations. It is not a fitness tracker or budget smartwatch to only view text messages on the main screen. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic are true smartwatches that come with premium features. You can reply to WhatsApp messages in many ways. You can simply text back with the default Samsung keypad, Google Gboard, voice text using Bixby or Google Assistant. Also, you can reply with swipe gestures, emojis or preloaded